When money is controlled, it is restricted, monitored, delayed, denied. A new kind of financial freedom is emerging. Introducing the Newearth Ghost wallet. Your keys, your assets, your control. Offline, encrypted, self-custody, biometric access, military-grade protection. No banks, no exchanges, no middlemen. It belongs only to you. Spend globally with a USDT-backed virtual Visa card online. Travel everyday life. Anywhere Visa is accepted. Store, manage, protect. All from one sovereign ecosystem. White label solutions for communities, businesses, kingdoms, and organizations. Your brand, your people, powered by newXearth. Earn from real adoption. Value returns to the network. Not extracted, returned. Build your own branded wallet. Hardware plus software. True ownership. Bank-grade security. Seamless experience. You are the key. Newearth Ghost wallet. You hold ownership. You own your funds. The full solution. The Ghost tag. Your tap-to-pay key. Wear it. Tap it. Pay anywhere Visa is accepted. Together with a hardware wallet, PIN device, and Ghost tablet, it becomes one complete sovereign system. 2 coins power the ecosystem. NXE stablecoin pegged, secure, stable, and the NXE currency coin borderless, fast, spendable, backed coin. Everything you need, one powerful pack. True ownership in your hands, from scarcity to sovereignty. Reclaiming ownership at newxearth.com. See you there.